Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a very interesting vanilla fragrance. This one is a high-end perfume and it's definitely expensive, but I absolutely love this vanilla fragrance. So I wanted to talk about it and wanted to introduce it to you guys. Just in case if your budget allows, maybe you can try this one. The one that I'm talking about is called as Bois de Vinny, and this is how this perfume looks like, and this is from the brand called as Le Bois. Now definitely I'm butchering the name, so I'll make sure to put like the text or like captions here so that you can read the perfume name. Also, I'll put the details in the description box. This is easily available in India. It's available in Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, etc. And I will try to leave all the links for you in the description box below for you to check out. Let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Let's talk about the packaging first. It comes in this cardboard box which has like a leather-like feel to it and has details in golden as mentioned here. And also behind you have like list of ingredients and some manufacturing details. Now this perfume opens up with a lid like this, and then it kind of like opens up like this. So this is how the overall packaging is. Looks very luxe, and the perfume bottle is sitting very properly and very nicely inside this arrangement, like on the stage, and has this center of attraction right here. And once you pull the bottle, this is how the bottle looks like. Now it does have the brand details mentioned here with a black strip and a golden detail, and then on this side you have the name of the perfume mentioned right here, right? And the glass bottle is like super duper thick and heavy, and you can feel like the weight of it, it's like very good in quality, very nice to kind of hold, has a nice grip to it. I absolutely love this packaging, which is simplistic. You can see the juice and you can see the details, and it just looks very heavy in quality. Then the cap is golden and it is metallic, so this is also a nice quality, and again very heavy, and the atomizer is golden in color. Now I'm just going to show you how the sprayer is. I don't want to spray it in the air and waste the perfume. I'm just going to spray it on myself. Now this perfume is a very balanced vanilla, and something that I want to say is a perfect unisex vanilla in my fragrance. I think both men and women can equally enjoy this scent profile. It's very balanced in a way that it is sweet, but it is not sickeningly sweet, and it is balanced by some floral nuances which are not white florals. It is rose this time, so rose is kind of like balancing this whole fragrance along with some other notes. This one is sweet, slightly coconutty, and a very warm scent profile, which literally feels like a warm hug. Like this is a very comforting, kind of like a safe zone, safe place kind of perfume. This perfume itself kind of reminds me of the guy who is my safe space. So we all have that one person who is our safe space. If you don't have one, you'll find one, okay? But usually there is, like, it could be anyone. It could be your mom, dad, it could be your partner, it could be your love, anyone, okay? So that comfort when you are with them, that sense of security, that sense of being loved and being supported lifelong, this has that kind of a feel to it. So I absolutely love how deep and how meaningful this perfume becomes for me, right? Let's talk about the notes breakdown on this. This one opens up with some freshness of bergamot and Casey's buds. Now, bergamot usually brings in a lot of citrusiness, a lemon touch to the fragrance, but this one does not have any lemon touch to it. The bergamot and Casey's buds is just adding a hint of freshness in this perfume. Trust me when I say this, you will not feel any citrusiness going on in the opening. Like everything is just encapsulated by vanilla and coconut. So bergamot is just there in the background, I'll say. Then heart note is some solar notes mixing up with rose. I definitely get a hint of saffron in this perfume, which I feel makes this perfume super duper rich. It's dense, it's rich, it just feels like it is a premium quality perfume. Just the feel of it is very thick and heavy, okay? So I think saffron is definitely playing some part here with rose, and then the solar notes bring in a lot of warmth in this perfume. For me, base notes is where the whole magic is happening, because it has coconut, amber and vanilla. So that's where all the creaminess, that powderiness, that sweetness is kicking into this fragrance, and it's literally enwrapping all of the other notes within this blanket. Just think of the scenario where like you're having a very stressful day in office, and even your personal life is like going haywire, and some fights here and there, and some miscommunications with your friends and all, and you just cannot get home to that one person who will listen to all of that crap, like you will go and talk your heart out, and he will just hold you, and he will just hug you, and everything will be all right. So this is literally that perfume for me. So I love how romantic, I love how assuring and how secure this perfume can make me feel on days. Just that is a different feeling, and I think no amount of price tag can justify it. But yeah, this is a pricey fragrance. This is priced for 7,500, and it's available in India at different websites like I mentioned. But the perfume is class. This is classy, it's elegant, and it is the most sophisticated vanilla in my collection. And I try my level best to use it sparingly so that I don't get over with it very soon. But this is such a rich, decadent. Although it's expensive, but my rating on this one is a 10 out of 10, and I think I've described it very well to tell you why it is 10 out of 10. So yeah, that is Bois de Vanille for you. I apologize for my pronunciation, and I can't do anything about it, okay? So I'm just apologizing for my pronunciation, but I hope that if your budget allows, you will be able to find and get your hands on this perfume, and trust me, you're going to love it. All right, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.